Hey, so this is a training video that's very micro about your calendar and opening up time slots and having those time slots work just right. So we received an email. My exotic guru Manav and I received a note from a client, a Revelana client, saying I need 1:30 to 1:40 p.m. on Wednesday to be available and to be able to make appointments 15 minutes apart or overlapping if possible. Now, those are two different things. Having them 15 minutes apart and overlapping if possible, two different things. So what I want to show you is we're going to answer one thing at a time, right? So I'm going to go into, if you make this change on your calendar, we don't know if it's laser hair removal or a laser treatment or a microderm facial. We don't know which one of these treatments she's referring to. But if she wants to make her calendar available to everyone, no matter what treatments, you need to go into every single treatment calendar. You click here, and then you go to edit. When you get in there, I want to show you something. So you want to click over to availability. When you get over to availability, you notice we're not going to change the duration of this appointment. We're talking about the slot interval. So she said she wants to be able to make appointments 15 minutes apart or overlapping. So that 10-minute slot interval should work. We put the buffer duration there, but that's like the amount of time you need after an appointment before the next appointment of this particular treatment, this specific treatment. So in this case too, she wanted to make 1:30 to 1:40 available on Wednesday. And if you look at her Wednesday hour, it starts at 2 p.m. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a change. I'm going to start this at 1 p.m. And this should open up the calendar so she can make that appointment happen 1:30 to 1:40. So I'm going to go ahead and press save on just this specific treatment calendar. And then that's going to open it up for someone booking this treatment on Wednesday at that time frame. So if this needs to be true, and be made for every single type of treatment you offer and you want to extend your hours, that's what you need to do, is go into each individual treatment and adjust your hours inside there. And please don't forget too, you're going to have to go into your website and your hours that are on your page and change your hours on that page as well, just for marketing. Okay, so hopefully you appreciate the video. And with all of you on Revelana, I want to encourage you to please download Loom, Loom. It is free. Download it as an extension in your browser, and then start getting used to it. It's a free screen recorder. So you can either QuickTime or Loom. Send us videos. If you're having issues or you have a goal, you want to figure out how to do it, you want us to make a training video, send us what you're trying to do exactly and what you're doing. And then that gives us a much clearer idea and able to brainstorm with you the solution. But please either use QuickTime or download Loom and get used to it, okay? Thanks so much. Have an awesome week. Bye. Bye for now.